Cleaning House by me, 8th of December 2024. Back to basics, cleaning my space, letting go of things no longer of importance, clothes, thoughts, regret, resistance, sometimes people where there is no longer resonance. Paying off debts as much as I am able, doing all those tasks that have been collecting dust. Acting now in connection with a long-term vision for a life with reduced stress. I could say it's feng shui for my heart. What burdens have I been carrying from the past? What burdens have I been carrying for others, which is not my responsibility? Where have I allowed others to cross my boundaries? Where I have not asserted my needs and wants and made choices which are not good for me? I'm cleaning house and reviewing my life, noticing in detail what feels good and works, and what I've been doing that drags me down. Sometimes it's obvious, sometimes it's subtle. In this post-operative recovery phase, I have decided to recover all aspects and dimensions of my life, to open to and act with multi-dimensional health. I have time now and a wish to be so. I see when on the habitual hamster wheel of existence, we may all know it's a good thing to clean house, to come back to ourselves, to recover health. But we feel compelled to keep going, keep doing, keep acting in ways which disregard present well-being, generating dynamics of stress. I can tell you, it catches up with you. Maybe at first with aches and pains, maybe tiredness and irritation. Maybe relationships fall apart at the seams, or deals don't go through. Life has her ways of revealing to you, you. Are you listening? Are you noticing? Are you willing to take action towards loving your way home? I wasn't listening. I was willing my way through, telling myself I had to, I can't stop, I have to do more. I couldn't relax at night or during the day. I was living in tomorrow's list. I was living, but not fully alive. I was doing, but not really being. Pain started to show. Stress built and built in my body. I couldn't wind down until life did it for me. My world had to stop. Being in A&E, I felt relief when they took me in. I felt the inevitability of a man needing to surrender, to let go all my pursuits, however noble and meaningful, and return to the basic foundation of my embodiment. I am a creator, a visionary. I love to live on purpose, with feeling and a sense of mission. I aspire to live from my heart, a life full of value and kindness. But in all this grandeur, I forgot myself. I abandoned myself to take care of others. I overextended my energy when my body was crying out for sleep, touch, to be held and loved. It's often said, we teach what we need to learn. My students started to reflect back to me what I wanted to be living in my life. Being a channel for wisdom is not the same as being the wisdom. I am as much a student as I am a teacher, as much a messenger as one desiring to receive the message. This doesn't devalue my work or diminish my purpose. It doesn't mean I don't have authenticity, a good heart, or kind intent. It just reveals that I'm on the path with you, and always have been, walking beside you. teaching, learning, being taught. Life is our great teacher. She is offering opportunities for initiation, always. Carl Jung wrote about turning in. Life compels me to be now, to re-embrace and embody myself, to say a big yes to the value of my own existence. I feel my reality is about a meter wide. It's as far as I need and wish to focus. Love lives in this circle and has been waiting for me to clean house so I can be home.